Who did that?
Me.
What?
Who is this from again?
This is from Aunt Missy, I believe.
Let's see what's in this one. In this paper. There's gonna be money. A notice, but in this card. Anything? No, anything? Anything?
It says all aboard.
Flip her around, though. That's it.
What?
3.
That's my birthday.
How old are you?
It's my birthday. This is my birthday.
Who's that from? Did you read who it's from? Daddy can read you what it says.
All war, full steam ahead for a happy birthday. Happy 3rd birthday. You are such a big boy now. You are 3 years old. I love you so much. Love, Aunt Missy.
I want to open.
Okay.
No, I can open it. Okay.
Let me get that part started for you.
Oh, she wrote that in it. I really know what it is.
You do?
Yeah.
What is it?
I make them see. It's a testy thing.
You can bake cookies?
Yeah.
It's a pretend bacon cookies thing?
Yeah. Hey, yeah, I'm gonna open that bad one.
This one?
Yeah.
This is from Aunt Missy also.
I put it like this. It's my birthday. Uh-oh. It's a puzzle.
What is it?
It's a puzzle.
Ooh, what's in it?
Pregnancy. That's a game. And this is really a puzzle.
What kind of animals are in the puzzle?
A T-ball and this 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 and this.
Wow.
Who's second?
I told you later.
No, you tell me. You can tell me.
I told you.
Oh, come on.
Zebra, elephant, rhino, rhinoceros, alligator, lion,
Lion.
ostrich, and giraffe.
What's this guy?
I just said it, hippo.
Oh, you did. Okay, you did. I didn't hear you say it.
And there's.
What is that?
I don't know.
What do you think? Missy.
Hey, to Mercy.
Love you.
Love you.
How come you're just telling them what to say? You don't really have a reason why, do you?
Do you think she does?
No.
You want to tell her?
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
I want to open that one.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.